Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel, Dream of Crafts. My name is Deanna and today we're going to be doing the walkthrough on my Dreamland Suitcase mini album. And as you can see, I have added some sunflowers that I made with a AliExpress die. There is a tutorial on these in my YouTube channel, and it shows you how to do them with the die, with a Cricut machine, and by hand if you don't have either one of those options. So that is available in my YouTube channel. And then these little extra roses here are from AliExpress. Wish also carries them too, but they're just tiny little roses I like to use to fill in. In addition to that, I've added some yellow or gold colored gems, and those are from Hobby Lobby, from the jewelry section. I have included this on the spine, and then I put these elements here that I had bumped up on chipboard on the back, and then I added this from the sticker sheet, and I have also added a handle to make it look like a suitcase. This is not meant for carrying this book around, it's just as a decoration. Oops, sorry about that. And this album measures 10.5 inches high by 9 3/4 inches wide with a 3-inch spine. There are magnets in here, and of course the book is so thick that they don't want to hold, but the belts too. But this book, as you can see, is pretty full already, so I think by the time she gets her pictures in here, that's going to fill out, and then this will not have a problem staying closed like it is supposed to. And also it's meant to be standing up on the shelf like this so that it's visible that way. Okay? All right. Now what I have left from this is these stickers on the sticker sheet. That's all I had left. I'm going to include those with this album for her to add as she adds pictures. This is my scraps here. As I had mentioned in my last video, I had completely used up the Patterns and Solids pack, and I also used up all of the collection pack that I had, and this is literally my scraps. And when I'm working on a project, I save even these little strips. So this is what I have left. These are my biggest pieces here. So, and I got a little bit left. I could probably make another here or something, but that is literally what I had left from the full collection pack and Patterns and Solids sheets. So that is it. So not too bad. These are the 3 tags that I have made to go in the pockets that are so. And then this is kind of like a quilt style, so that makes a nice way to use up your scraps. And that's why I save them all, because I don't know if I'll need a little strip to fill in or a little bit bigger piece. But so I made those, and then these 2 additional tags I also made. Got a sticker on the back of that one. They've been standing up, so they're a little warped a little bit, and I just had some gems on the back of that. So let's go ahead and start with our first page here. So on our first page, we have this pop-up element here, just like that. Nice little pop-up, like this pop-up card. Pop and twist card is what they call that. And then I've taken just 2 of the tags from the tag sheet and left them together as a card. In addition to that, there's 2 pockets here with 2 tags in them, just regular cardstock. Here I have added a brad. Get this going this right way here. And then I've attached a charm with a jewelry little binding thing there that pinches together on the ribbon. And again, another one of my flowers that I created. This was actually the piece from the front cover of the collection pack, and this moon was up here, so I punched the moon out with a punch and added it to there. This element opens like this, and then I have a little, one of the tags is a little flip there, and then this flips open again, and then another sticker here from the sticker sheet. In addition to that, this little here, the little booklet, and then this is also a flip, again with some of the quilt patchwork design on the back of that. Makes a nice fill-in. Oops, I think it's going the right way here. All right, and when we go to our next side, whoops, this is a little magnetic thing. This was created using just cereal boxes, and I punched them out with a circle punch and just glued them together. Added the sticker on the top, and then here I have a little envelope that I created for her to add little notes for her daughter, and then for my great niece. And then how I did that was I just used one of my I have a punch board, but these were created using one of my die cut envelopes. And so what I did to get where I could just tuck that in and didn't have to have any other elements added to it was I just marked how far down that I on the envelope where I wanted to go in. So I put a little dot and a little dot, and then I just stuck a piece of the scrap board in there, and then took a ruler, and let me slide this off the side a second here, and then I used an X-Acto blade and a edge on my ruler there, and I just came in and I went from dot to dot on that, just like so. Okay, then this should go in and tuck right in just like that. Keeps that envelope closed without having to have any other magnets or Velcro or anything like that. So that's how I did that, and I will attach that little envelope somewhere inside of here. Okay, so this opens, it's a gatefold, and then these I just have put on extra cardstock just as a design element. And we'll just put that back there. And on this page here, this is where we created a little booklet. And I left the magnets here because this will hold a full photo, and I'd rather have the magnets hold nice, so I will let her know to remove the tape, and when she adheres that on, then that picture will cover that. So with this, I just edged it with my dried marigold, and then this one I added an extra little flap, and then that opens that way. And again, we have like a gatefold, and this opens again like so. And then here's another one of those little envelopes for her, and there's just stickers from the sticker sheet on the bottoms, and here this is from the decorative cardstock that has strips on it. And we'll go to the next page, and this is a flip up like so, and then it flips down this way like that. And I have added Wink of Stella to different areas of the book, so I don't know if you'll be able to see that on the wings of the horse or on the moons, but in different areas I've added the Wink of Stella. I also added 2 tags in the pockets here, one here and one here. Okay. And there's plenty more room for tags in the pockets. And these are the tags. These big tags here are the ones that slide into the, the main pocket there. So those slide right in there. You get one there, and you get one here. So just put those in while I'm right here. So you get one there, one there. It's not sliding in very far. I'll have to work on that one. And then on this page, another little flip. And then this is a pocket with a tag, and it's just from the cardstock. And then this flips open. We have a flip up. Now these are large areas, so you got a nice amount of space for your real estate there. This little tag here is on extra cardstock, and it's on a brad, so it kind of swivels away. These are the ones that you can turn individually, like this, or like this. Another little tag here. Here's our pocket with 2 additional tags, patchwork tags. And then this also opens up like so. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 large pages. 1, 2, 3, 4 this way. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4 this way. So you got lots and lots of real estate with that. And then on the back page we have our regular waterfall. So, and I just left these blank for her because, again, by the time you get your picture on, and if I add cardstock to that, it makes it nice. It makes it really heavy. So we just leave that blank like that for her. And then this is our last little element here, and it's a little trifold pop-up that we got going. Just like that. Nice little cute design for a little girl. And then this also opens this way for more pictures. Another pocket. These are 2 pockets here. These are separated, and then we got 2 in here. So lots and lots of real estate with this book. I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope you follow along doing this video. It's a fun one, and you do not have to add the suitcase element part to this. You can just do a book. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate it. A subscriber, please consider doing so at this time. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down in the right hand corner. When the bell pops up, go ahead and hit that bell, and you'll be notified each time I put up a new video. And as always, until the next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.